I'll have to try this thing one more time. I'm going to fling this phone. I don't know how they do it, but kudos to people that does this thing all the time, that does vlog and record themselves. I'll have to try this thing one more time. I'm going to fling this phone. This is the third time I'm doing this thing, and first one, no sound. Second, bad angle. The second video actually turned out to be good, and I'm using it there. Anyways, good morning. This is Buzo, and I'm going to take you along on a photo shoot today and tomorrow. Let's see where this gets to. Stay tuned. So we just arrived at the location and the shoot location. This is the studio, and this is a beautiful space where we're supposed to be shooting. Hi, I wish you the same. So the studio managers instructed that we are supposed to be there 15 minutes before the actual booking time, so that we'll be able to set up and get everything ready. So I want it 10 a.m. we start shooting. This is a brand collection photo shoot. One of the best things to note about photo shoot is you have to be in rapport with your makeup artist, with whoever you're working with. You have to be in rapport with them. You have to have an understanding so that whatever you do, you work together, work in hand to get your work done faster. That way you finish fast, you save your time. The person who booked you, you save their time, and also if you have another booking, you get to do it on time. So I'm trying to show you the space, what it looks like. Guys, Glam by Roy blew everybody's mind, doing two models, making them up at the same time, like simultaneously. This is one of the challenges we face. Like if you see a problem and you solve it, we're supposed to finish everything in like 2 hours, and it takes 2 hours to finish one person's makeup, or highest 1 hour 30 minutes. But this my guy challenged himself into doing both of their makeup in that space of time, and guess what, he did it. So whenever you're booking, book someone who is passionate about their job, book someone who is willing to see your vision and actually achieve them, because that is what we did here. So guys, another thing to look out for is whenever you're having a photo shoot, make sure you give out the instructions to the models and anybody you're working with. Tell them what to come with, how to come, if their hair should be braided, if they should have their hair done or just leave it out, depending on what you're supposed to do. I didn't have problem with that because I didn't mind, and even if it was going to save time, I knew I was going to finish on time and make it happen. So I didn't bother telling her to have her hair braided, because this is not the first time I'm working with her. If I was going to do both of their hairs, I would have probably instructed them to come with their hair braided, but I only did one person's hair, because the idea is to have the other model bald. So yeah, I promise to keep up with this. And this is me going to my second location for the day, but I don't think I would be filming that because this client is one of those clients that don't want or doesn't like being filmed while working or at all being filmed at all, except she's having a shoot, a professional shoot. So the next you would see is probably tomorrow. So see you then. I'm already at my next client's hotel here, and I won't be including the next day's video because a lot happened and this video is already long. So enjoy until next time. Bye.